Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it is possible because you are broke? Today, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to Malta for free. It's a country in Europe. If this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And I'm sure that you'll agree with me. You will agree with me that the ever-increasing choice of international students deciding to do their master's program in Malta is a testament to its uniqueness and its appeal. Yes, it's a tiny island in the Mediterranean Sea, and it's a mixture of good education, affordable living, and a high standard of living. And this makes Malta one of the most diverse and exciting destinations for students that are yearning for top-notch universities delivered in perfect order. Now, why choose Malta? Do you know that Malta is witnessing exceptional growth as a preferred study abroad place, destination, due to these factors? Number one, they have affordable education. I mean, compared to the rest of the world, students in Malta have found an inexpensive gateway to higher education. Studying for a one-year degree can cost at least half the money that you would pay back in most other countries. And number two, they have vibrant student life. Malta provides pleasant weather conditions and a location with beautiful beaches and individual cultural festivals that make students' life more interesting. The secular education system, the leisure, provides students with decent and well-balanced treatment. Guess what? Malta also has world-class healthcare. Yes, with high-quality healthcare facilities, students can use emergency services free of charge. And you know that Malta has globally recognized universities. The institutions in Malta are prestigious and they are all affiliated with world-class organizations, and they provide globally recognized degrees that benefits graduates. Yes, graduate employment prospect. Malta is also a safe and friendly environment. Yes, Malta is listed as the safest country in the world, and it makes it an ideal place for international students to come to. Malta also teaches in English. Yes, most of the study courses are given in English, and that's why students face no language barriers to self-education or even collaboration, and this makes learning in Malta more possible. Now, the next thing is Malta has a lot of part-time work opportunities. Students from other countries that are studying in Malta, they have the privilege of working at places within the location outside from their usual study hours. This helps them have enough money to pay for their expenses and to be able to learn how to work. To get visa, yes, it's pretty simple. Simple student visa process. Yes, guys. The process of applying for a student visa is relatively smooth because it's completed within 4 weeks, and students get a residence visa to stay and work in Malta after graduation. So Malta also has top universities. I mean, several universities in Malta have two semester intakes. They have February and they have October. They have University of Malta. You can try American University of Malta. You can also try St. Martin's Institution of Higher Education, or you can try Queen Mary University of London in Malta. They also have STC University. Now, there are other institutions with continuous intake cycles. Other ones are MUV College. They also have Gateway Institute of Learning. They have LearnKey Institute, and they have Idea Academy in Malta. As for the cost of living in Malta, guys, Malta is relatively cheaper in terms of the cost of living, yes, than other European countries. Now, the estimated average monthly cost of living is very low. Accommodation is like 300 euros, $700 for private apartments. Food is about 150 to 250 euros. Transport is about 26 euros monthly pass, and they also have miscellaneous. I mean, you can budget maybe 100 to 200 euros for miscellaneous expenses. Accommodation options, they have a lot of different types of accommodation for students, yes, to select from. They have university dormitories. These ones are located on campus and they provide basic amenities. They also have shared apartments. Now, these are the cheapest, and most students prefer them because they can have roommates. They also have private rentals. So these are more expensive, but they offer students peace of mind, right? So go ahead and check out all of these lists of universities and start to apply for all these scholarships that they have, And like I said, Malta is one of the safest places that you can live in the world. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Ontario, Canada, free of charge. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for clicking on the share button. Thank you for always liking my videos. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell, join this family. And one mistake people make, first timers make on this channel is that they watch my videos and they don't subscribe to my channel. My God is watching you. So if you're new here and you have not joined the family yet, please click on the subscribe button. It costs nothing. Yes, it doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the subscribe button and click on all so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video right here on this channel. And besties, if you also want, you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you can also join my Patreon community, and I'll be more than happy to assist you whichever way that I can. So once you join my Patreon community, find the link to join my Patreon in my comments as well as in my description. Once you join my Patreon community, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. Alternatively, you can also join my channel membership. There is a join button right next to the subscribe button right here. So you can join my channel membership or my Patreon community, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. So besties, in case you have not seen my previous videos, for those of you that are interested in fully funded conferences, a week-long conference, typically 4 to 6 days conference, they will pay for your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and all that you need for the duration of the conference. I have shared a lot of fully funded conferences on my channel, and in case you missed those videos, you can request for them in the comments. I actually made fully funded conferences that are happening in in Canada. Yes, I also shared a fully funded conference that is happening in Brazil. I shared another fully funded conference that is happening in South Africa. I shared another fully funded conference happening in Tanzania. I shared another fully funded conference that is happening in Australia, and I shared another fully funded conference happening in the United States. And I shared another one happening in Germany. So if you want to, take advantage of all of these fully funded conferences, if you need me to share the link with you, let me know in the comments, or you can just go to my videos, go to my channel, my videos, of course, and click on videos, and then you see all of the videos. Yeah, I posted them right before this particular video, so don't miss out on them. And actually, it was because I was fortunate to hear about an international conference back about 20 years ago when I was in university. It is called ISFIT, International Student Festival, in Trondheim, Norway. Yes, International Students Festival in Trondheim, Norway. But I wasn't given a visa at that time, but I was fortunate to attend World Bank Conference back then. So for the one in Norway, I checked right now, but it is not up until 2027. So I decided to research other conferences, other fully funded conferences, and that's what gave birth to the one happening in South Africa, in Australia, in Canada, in USA, in Germany, in Tanzania. So that's when I researched all of those other conferences and I shared them with you guys on this channel. So if you're interested in them, if you want to be part of those conferences, they are fully funded. They will pay for your flight, they will pay for your feeding. Just bring yourself. I'm telling you, just carry yourself to the airport and go. That's all. And it's always fun, I can assure you. So yes, if you want to see more of conferences like that, let me know in the comments. And please guys, I need your help. Please help me choose a name for my community members. I will be more than happy to read from you guys in the comments. If you are new here, don't forget to introduce yourself, and I will definitely see you in my next video. But till then, watch this video right here.